Trish, and this is Fold of the Week, a show where I share powerful print marketing ideas to help you achieve success on any budget. Today I've got a mailer that could have easily been average, but instead they chose to creatively enhance the experience without dramatically increasing the cost. So let's take a closer look. This mailer leads with a football theme, score big with full color printing. The back features the mailing panel, pretty standard. When you open it up, there's a life-sized football that feels rubbery, and the football is its own shaped panel that can be lifted to reveal a message underneath. Then you see that the turf image on the panel underneath has a grass-scented varnish that you can scratch and smell. Open it up all the way for the offer and a QR code to lead you to a video of the offerings. Here's what the shape of the mailer looks like when it's flat. It's really just a trifold with an extra shaped panel. And you might think that something like this had to be hand folded, but it was folded entirely by machine. The use of sensory marketing techniques like creative textures and scent is a powerful way to increase interaction and brand recall, which can be well worth the incremental cost increase the enhancements will require. And like anything, if you load up a brochure with lots of customized embellishments, you can absolutely run up the budget, but they chose two simple effects that really worked with their concept. The custom football-shaped panel was also a great addition to the experience, and since it could be folded by machine, the production costs stayed in check. These were die-cut, scored, machine-folded, and tabbed for mail. They did about 21,000 of these. I love a smart, simple, accessible idea like this one, and I hope it inspires you to talk to your printer about the many different ways you can enhance your print marketing without busting the budget. A very special thanks to the creators of the sample featured in this episode for sharing their solution with us. If you've ever been inspired by something you've seen on the show, please consider folding it forward and sharing your work too. If you're looking for more ideas, downloads, and templates, visit foldfactory.com, and remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.